Hey friends, wanted to talk about swap rotors and wheel adapters and stuff for dualies. So we put out the D200 and the D300 disc brake kit. We're the only ones in the world that have ever come up with it. 3 or 4 years out. Some of them older trucks, they've changed them over. They run in single wheels. Some of them are running dualies. Some of them running the wheel adapters. Some of them ain't. Yada, yada, yada. The 8-on-6.5 bolt pattern has been standard for decades and decades and decades. Only Ford, they changed it when we went up to 170 millimeters. 6.5 inches is actually 165.1 millimeters or something like that. And Ford just decided to go to 170 or whatever, piss off all the Ford and Dodge guys, because they could always share wheels. So there's your standard D200, D300 rotor. Custom off-road wheel adapter. Steel manufactured. What's this? This is a 2000 through 2010 ones with the holes 2012 and up Dodges. This great big old long thing is way back from the mid-90s up to 2000. Now, if you need to install longer studs, of course, they're available at your local auto parts store. And they can easily be changed out for whatever size and length that you want. And in general, they're not very difficult to swap out. Hey boss, counter help, counter help. I need me one of these a little bit longer. Will you help me, sir? Thank you. Standard pattern. Decades and decades and decades. Why are you gonna make something that don't work? Be dumb.